We've invested a lot of money in a new baggage system, and so we thought this was a great opportunity to really revitalise and reconstruct the entire passenger experience here in check-in. So that means more space, more choices, more information for our passengers. Clearly at the moment is to make sure we keep them safe. So our vision was really to provide a much better experience, and the video wall that we're talking about today is really a central part of that.
The brief was to design a digital wall that would run the 85 metres of the new carousel. We knew that we'd need some help with this process, so we engaged with the team at PSCo and Midwich at an early stage. By introducing them at the planning stage of the project, we were able to design a concept video which showed the art of the possible to the airport.
Utilising a distributor and the resource that we have in Innovation House gave the client a real informed decision. Working closely with our vendors, we were able to drive an LED wall that's 17 times wider than HD. So a real feat when it comes to video wall processing as well. And actually the LED wall itself is actually larger than the Boeing Dreamliner at 85 metres. The client chose Absen's Acclaim A27 as the product of their choice, choosing a 2.5mm pitch. This for them had credibility within the airport space, having been deployed internationally with a number of airports, having sold thousands of square metres across both Europe and internationally.
Datapath was chosen as a video wall processing technology of choice. They are world leaders in expertise in designing video wall processing equipment. The video wall processor would enable us to treat this as one massive single canvas or split it up in any way that the airports see fit. The support from Datapath and the software that they have enables the client to deliver a perfect solution across the wall. We also engage with BrightSign. They are the global leaders in digital signage. Their 4K players were perfect for the wall. There are 8 of them in total, covering the whole span of 85 metres. Their software is simple and easy to use, and the airport have got the ability to put content at any time across the wall, schedule it, or change dynamically as and when required.
So ultimately, when you push the barriers of technology, which we've done in this project, you really need a team of people, a team of expertise around you. nuVIDEO, the client, our vendors, our specialists within the group really work together to understand what the brief was and deliver this in time and budget as well. It goes without saying it's probably the largest transport hub display.
I'm just hoping we can get Six Nations Rugby on that when it returns.